Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome to another unboxing episode of Diecast replicas. So today we have the Skyline GTR V8 Drift Hakosuka by poprace. This is the very first unboxing of a poprace model in our Diecast replicas YouTube channel. As a collector, I don't have poprace models in my collection, and this car will be my first that I'm going to add into my collection. So without further ado, let's quickly run through the boxing and the packaging. The box itself is quite similar to what Mini GT boxes looks like. So it comes in a nice packaging with nice details and a nice picture of the car. You have the poprace logo. The car's model is mentioned here as well, and the 1:64 scale. Then going around, you have a bunch of manufacturer related details over here, but it doesn't say if this model is uh, a licensed model from the Nissan Motor Corporation. So unlike Mini GT models, they have that listed on their boxes, but poprace does not have that. So I don't know if this car is a licensed model or not, but let's see the quality of this car after we do the unboxing. So those are the sides of the box. One side you have the car, then the logo of the manufacturer and the car's model, and the other one has the poprace. Alright, so let's get into the unboxing. Take my scissors, try to cut this through, give it a small cut. That's enough. Let's open it up. Okay, it's a nice little model. Feels really nice in the hands. The wheels are rotating wheels, very smooth. They are plastic. You have the Advan logo printed on the wheel. You have a Handle logo as well on the side. This is the exhaust inside, and you have the opening hood, which basically then exposes the GTR engine of this car, which is quite nicely detailed as well. If I give you a closer look, you can see how nicely that detailing is done by poprace. I'm quite impressed. I mean, even on Mini GT models, you don't get this much of detail in regards to the engine bay, because you don't have any opening and moving parts, unlike in this car. It's pretty good. So you have the side mirrors. The side, this is how it looks like. You also have a bit of a metallic finish to the paint, and there's a small grill as well, kind of an air intake or an exhaust. Then you have a logo here on the side. Very nice details on the rims as well, as you can see. There you go. And you can see the rear wheels are a bit broader, I think, compared to the front wheels of the car. So that's how the front looks like. You can see it has a nice grille with the GTR logo printed. The headlights are done in plastic. They are not like to paint the headlights. You have, I think you have the indicator lights that are painted, and you have the Pandan logo in the skirting. This is the side, and this is the rear. Don't know if you can open this. Yeah, you can open the dashboard. So there's a radiator or something in the boot that is nicely detailed as well. The rear lights are all plastic, and it's a beautiful car. It's a beautiful piece. You can see the roll cage inside the car as well. The inside interior is also nicely detailed. The wipers on the screen. There you go. That's the interior. I don't know if you can see this properly, but yeah, you can see the steering wheel and all that. So overall, I think it's a great looking model for the price that you pay. I'm impressed. I mean, this is the first time I have done an unboxing, and I have bought a poprace model. Overall, I'm really impressed with the quality of this car. It rolls really nicely. Yeah, it's very smooth. Rolling wise, it's really smooth. The car feels very good in the hand. It's very heavy, and it's definitely a collector grade. I can definitely recommend this. So guys, thank you very much for watching this unboxing. I think I have done this unboxing after a while. I've got few more other cars that I'm planning to unbox as well. So as always, make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you like the unboxing video today, do let us know by leaving a comment. And if you like the video, hit the thumbs up button, and do let us know how the video went. So with that, let's meet again with another unboxing. Until then, stay safe.